take a minute today to discuss undercover nozzle setup and installation. As we look at the undercover setup here, it currently mounts on a SM&P that would come with your wide drop system. Inside the base, there are 2 nuts and bolts. As you slide the base on, you can determine your height. It's adjustable from the pinch point down to the top of the wide drop base. So you can move your height up and down depending on where you want to apply. Just tighten those bolts up. When you tighten those up, you need to make sure that the base is lined up along with the 360 wide drop base down below. Once that's done, all you have to do is route your hose. In the top of the undercover base, there is a place where you can run your hose through up to your wet boom. And then you can also run the hose for your wide drop base up through the bottom of the undercover base and tie all them together. At this time, unless you have a split product tank, you cannot run wide drop with undercover. You will have to run them separately. But with that being said, when it comes to undercover, you can run about any configuration of nozzles that you would like. Typically, most people run 3 out of 4 nozzles at a time, but depending on the pest or herbicide or fungicide application that you're going after, you can determine on what configuration you would like. Another thing that you can do with your undercover is you can actually remove the base for your wide drop, and you can slide the undercover up and down all the way down the shaft. So if you want to go like in a shorter crop, say cotton or soybeans, you can do that, putting it down clear almost to the ground. And then when you're done with that, you can reinstall your wide drop base and be back to applying fertilizer in just a few minutes. When it comes to nozzle selection, typically what I do is I look at the label on the product that you're intending to apply. Most of them will give you a specific droplet size that you want to be applying or reach. With that, we do have a chart on our product support page that gives you the right nozzle configuration for that setup. And if you have any more questions with that, please feel free to reach out to our customer support with any questions, or if you need any tips from there forward. One of the other things I would like to add, because it's a common question I get, is can I put it on from the top and with undercover at the same time? And you can. You just have to configure your nozzle selection using 4 nozzles, the one from above plus the ones down below, in order to get the correct application rate. Nozzles are available on our website to purchase through 360. Go to 360yieldcenter.com, then look for your undercover and nozzle selection guide.